Customizing Google Analytics tag implementation is a crucial step in tracking and analyzing website data effectively. To begin, it is essential to understand the basics of Google Analytics and its tag implementation process. First, you need to create a Google Analytics account and set up a property for your website. Once you have set up your property, you will be provided with a tracking code, also known as the Google Analytics tag. This tag is a small piece of JavaScript code that you need to install on every page of your website. To customize the Google Analytics tag implementation, you can use the Google Tag Manager, a free tool that allows you to manage and deploy marketing and analytics tags on your website. With Google Tag Manager, you can easily add, edit, and remove tags without requiring any coding knowledge. The next step is to set up triggers and variables in Google Tag Manager. Triggers are used to specify when a tag should be fired, and variables are used to capture and pass data to your tags. For example, you can set up a trigger to fire a tag when a user clicks on a specific button or completes a purchase. To further customize your Google Analytics tag implementation, you can use custom dimensions and metrics. Custom dimensions are used to capture additional data that is not automatically tracked by Google Analytics, such as user IDs or product categories. Custom metrics, on the other hand, are used to track numerical data, such as the number of times a user has visited your website. Best practices for customizing Google Analytics tag implementation include using a data layer to capture and pass data to your tags, testing your tags to ensure they are firing correctly, and using version control to keep track of changes to your tags. By following these best practices and using the features of Google Tag Manager, you can customize your Google Analytics tag implementation to track and analyze your website data more effectively. In conclusion, customizing Google Analytics tag implementation is a critical step in getting the most out of your website data. By using Google Tag Manager, setting up triggers and variables, and using custom dimensions and metrics, you can capture and analyze the data that matters most to your business.